Hello and welcome to Zion Food Trucks. Today we have a rather special trailer leaving us. This one is going to California. It will actually be operated in the Edwards Airforce base, which is in the Mojave Desert. So it is built as a drinks trailer. If you look at it, it's of course built in California spec and Air Force spec. So there are a few things that I'd like to call out. In the front, of course, is the generator. It is a Cummins generator. It's a 12-foot trailer to begin with, 12-foot by 8.5-foot wide trailer. So you can see the Cummins generator up front. It's battery, a gas tank for it. Now, the generator is kind of big in this space, which is why we had to modify the trailer slightly. You can see there is a pump out front, which we kind of made it as beautiful as possible. And that's the shore power connection. Below that, there are outriggers. On all four corners of this trailer, there are outriggers. This is to stabilize the trailer. Again, as I said, this is Air Force spec. Again, a seamless trailer, seamless white trailer built on heavy duty axles, as is all our trailers. That's how you drain the water, the gray water tank. This one is California spec, so it has a emergency door in the back for a quick exit in case of a fire or something. That's the service window, 6-foot service window. Self-closing, of course. Up above, you can see there are two speakers, outdoor rated speakers, and of course the lights. The lights are LED. Those are steps which stow away for transport. Inside, the wiring on this trailer, of course, every piece of equipment has its own breaker. That's a transfer box to switch between generator power and shore power. The remote for air conditioner, which is right there. Air conditioner also has a heat pump for colder climates, colder weathers. That's the Bluetooth amplifier, that kind of stuff. Ice chest, ice maker, essentially. Right there it's empty. Hand wash sink, all the plumbing. That is the water heater, grey water, fresh water tanks. The emergency door, as you can see from the inside. And this is the business end of this trailer. This trailer will not be cooking any food. What it instead does is hold a large number of drinks. So there are essentially, these are two large merchandiser refrigerators. Let's see how many. Probably we could hold, I'm going to say 300 or so bottles of water or drinks. Floor is aluminum diamond plate. Everything else is stainless steel. And you can see between the stainless steel panels, there is this everywhere there are trim pieces. LED lights on the inside as well. This is how you would start and stop the generator. Cummins on and generator, that is. That brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful trailer. If you have any questions or if you would like a trailer like this yourself, please contact us through our website, zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice one.